Hey folks, Adam here, and today we have an elite demonstration about the Tempur-Pedic Adapt. That's right folks, I sleep on a Tempur-Pedic Adapt every single night. I absolutely love it. I'm going to recommend my favorite. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. Now it is available in twin XL, queen, full, king, California king, and split California king for those individual sleepers out there. In many options, it is available with free delivery straight from the Tempur-Pedic store. So you're getting it straight from the same people that are selling it in the big box store, and you're getting it quick with Amazon and all the reassurances of Amazon. So what's special about the Adapt? Well, the Adapt adapts to your body, and it has 2 times the relief on those pressure points, your hips, your shoulders, those things that don't always feel well when you sleep on your side too much. This adapts for you. And if you haven't slept on a Tempur-Pedic lately, they sleep so perfect. Way cooler than those early versions of memory foam. There's just more area within the mattress to dissipate the heat, and they sleep much cooler to the touch. It's like having a fresh pillow every time you lay down. And for those of you who don't know the history, Tempur-Pedic was originally designed by NASA engineers. It is designed to deliver perfect relaxation and comfort, unlike any other mattress on the planet. This is the cat's meow, the best of the best. This is the best type of mattress, in my opinion, that you can get. It's available in medium and a medium hybrid, which includes the coil springs inside. It is durable and reliable, and it says adaptive Tempur material never loses its shape. I've had one probably pushing 10 to 15 years. There's no sag in it. It's absolutely perfect. So you're going to want to pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. Tempur-Pedic is the best of the best. It's designed to reduce motion. So if you're sleeping next to someone, they're not going to move every time you move. It's a great mattress. Order today. Order with confidence. Order from Amazon. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.